Welcome to 885 Kensington Street North in Arlington, a super convenient location, just 1 mile down to Ballston METRO. And this is a 5-bedroom plus office plus gym with 4.5 full bathrooms and laundry upstairs. 2-car garage, private lot, move-in ready, and fantastic. So it has a convenient storage closet as well as a place to keep the trash cans. Beautiful brick walkway and nicely landscaped. It has a gorgeous front porch that's covered on both sides. So when you're up on the hill, and again, this is a very quiet street with a storm door. Hardwood floors, and again, this is move-in ready. It has plantation shutters. So super convenient to have a nice office these days with French doors. And plantation shutters here, and that cuts through. So formal dining room with nice open entry to the formal living room. Really high ceilings. An open floor plan to a large family room. And fantastic gourmet kitchen with a wine fridge that conveys. Stainless steel appliances, granite, eat-up island, and if you like to cook, you've got 6 burners, 2 stove ovens, and heat lamps. And table for 6 in a really private yard with an extra large composite deck. Beautifully landscaped. It's really nice to entertain and not have anybody looking back at you, and it's fenced. So we have a gas fireplace and a wet bar with wine fridge and ice maker that leads back to the office with a door for privacy. And here's the half bath. And upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, generous sizes plus laundry. So high cathedral ceilings, extra large. There's actually an area for a desk here for a second office space. And 2 walk-in closets with custom closets and drawers, and a bright, spacious master bath with private toilet room, separate sinks, jacuzzi tub, frameless door, glass door, and double with a second sink with a vanity area. So large bedroom here, double closet, double door closet, enough for a desk area, and Jack and Jill with double sinks. And second bedroom here that is very spacious. Also a nice large closet. We have the laundry on this level with a sink and extra storage. Super convenient. And then this bedroom also has double closets and its own private bathroom. And we will go to the lower level where we have a rec room, the 5th bedroom and bathroom, and gym, plus 2-car spacious garage. So fantastic large rec room with a second gas fireplace. Plantation shutters down here. And the 5th legal bedroom. The closet. And dual entry bathroom. It also has a door here. We also have a little nook here for makes a little mudroom area for some hooks and bench. And you also have this closet and a separate full gym. And a spacious 2-car garage.